nice. Got any papers somewhere?
Do it again. Yes. Wait, do the index one again.
That one?
No, the first one you did, like where you like went like whoosh. Okay, you can do that again. No, this one. Do that one. No, wait. Oh, actually, you did do it. Nice. I don't even know how you did it from the thumb though. Yeah, how are you doing it from the thumb like that?
It's just practice.
Damn.
No, actually, the secret is
What?
you just gotta barely. There's a weight to it.
Was that Caden? No, I don't think so. Oh. Okay, this guy is trying to fucking roll it over his index finger, or he's trying to roll over his thumb, but he's doing it on his index finger like this. I don't even know how he's doing that. He's like, ooh, he's like something like that. Like, how are you getting on your index finger? Cool. It looks cool though. Yo. Damn it! I was gonna take a shot. I'm just kidding. Dude, I take fucking like hour-long showers. I don't know if you've noticed.
I used to love to smoke in the shower.
What?
I used to love to smoke in the shower.
You learned to smoke in the shower?
I used to love to smoke in the shower.
How the fuck does that work? How does it not burn out?